Maharashtra 10th SSC Maths Part 1 Algebra Important question paper for May 2021. Hello friends, I am Vamsi Krishna. Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to tell about the very important questions. That is Maths Part 1 Algebra. Mathematics Part 1 Algebra Maharashtra 10th SSC. Important questions May 2021. Very important, my dear friends. I suggest each and every student to watch the video completely. It is very important. 10th class SSC Maths Algebra. 10th class SSC Maths Algebra May 2021 question paper. Very important. So what kind of questions may appear in the public examinations? In this video, I am going to discuss some of the most important questions that may appear in the public examinations regarding Maharashtra 10th SSC. So friends, the only one point I want to say is watch the video completely. Watch the video completely so that you can get a perfect idea what kind of problems, what kind of chapters you need to first prepare well. This is very important to each and every student regarding 10th SSC, 10th Maths Part 1 Algebra May 2021 regarding Maharashtra 10th SSC. The first question, and before starting, I want to say is, if you want to know more important questions, more important problems regarding Algebra Part 1 Maths of 10th SSC Maharashtra, in the description below of this video, you can find the information regarding 10th class Maths Part 1 Algebra for May 2021 Maharashtra. So finally, the first and very important problem which may appear in the examinations, very important problem. Find the value of the determinant. What is the question has been given, sir? Find the value of the determinant. First, students should be able to understand what is the value of the determinant. What is the meaning of determinant? Matrices is very important problem. Find the value of the determinant. In this determinant problem, how to solve this determinant problem? Here the question is given. The determinant problem, that is, it's given like matrices 7 by 3, 5 by 3, 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Very important, my dear friends. This is going to be 7 by 3, 5 by 3, 3 by 2, 1 by 2. So in this, how to solve this determinant problem? How to find out this particular determinant problem? So for suppose if you have given this 7 by 3, 5 by 3, let us consider this as, in determinant there is a formula like A, B, C, D. In determinant there is a formula like A, B, C, D. What is the determinant value formula? AD minus BC, that is AD minus BC is equals to how much? AD minus BC is equals to how much? That is cross multiplication of the particular values. Cross multiplication of the values. We are considering A as 7 by 3, B as 5 by 3, C as 3 by 2, D as 1 by 2. A, B, C, D. Now what is the question has been given? You have to find the value of the determinant. You have to know the value of this determinant. Let us consider, we have to find, let us consider like D is equals to how much? The determinant value. Let us expect determinant D is equals to how much? As I expected, there is a formula, determinant A, B, C, D. AD minus BC is equals to how much? AD minus BC is equals to how much? The value, you have to find the value. That is A is equals to 7 by 3. A is equals to 7 by 3. B is equals to 5 by 3. C is equals to 3 by 2. D is equals to 1 by 2. Now what is AD minus BC? 7 by 3 into 1 by 2 minus what is B? 5 by 3 into 3 by 2. 7 by 3 into 1 by 2 minus 5 by 3 into 3 by 2 is how much, friends? 7 into 1, 7 by 3 2s are 6 minus 5 into 3, 15 by 3 into 2 is 6. What is 7 minus 15? 15. What is 15 minus 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 by 6. 8 by 6. Now 2 3s are, 2 4s are, that is 4 by 3 is the answer. So capital D value is how much? 4 by 3. So finally we have find it out. The value of the determinant of this particular problem is 4 by 3. So like that, what is you have to do? AD minus BC. 7 by 3 into 1 by 2 minus 5 by 3 into 3 by 2. So minus 5 by 3 into 3 by 2 is how much? Naturally. So 7 1s are 7, 3 2s are 6, minus 5 into 3, 15 by 6. That's nothing but how much? 7 minus 15 is 8, 8 by 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. So 4 by 3 is the value of the particular determinant value. Now let us see another problem of this same solution. Let us see another problem of this same solution. How could you find it out perfectly? Very important, friends. I suggest each and every student to practice well of all the important questions of algebra. In the algebra part 1, what are the important questions? You have to solve perfectly. If you solve well in algebra part 1, it is very easy to get 100 out of 100 marks in the public examinations without any doubt. The only solution is practice well, understand the problems, try to practice, understand the concept of the given problem. Always try to practice lots and lots of time each and every question so that you can write very easily in the public examinations without any doubt. And you can get a very good marks in the public exams. Now in this, find the value of the determinant. Let us expect 3, 4, 7, 8. So this is the question. You have to find the value of the determinant. Some determinant D value you have taken. Now you have to find the value of the determinant 3, 4, 7, 8. Let us consider this as A is equals to 3, B is equals to 4, C is equals to 7, D is equals to 8. Now this determinant problem is in the form of A, B, C, D. In the form of A, B, C, D. What is the formula? AD minus BC is equals to how much? What is the determinant problem? You have to find it out in this way. So this is as A, this is as B, this is as C, this is as D. A is equals to 3, B is equals to 4, C is equals to 7, D is equals to 8. AD minus BC, that is AD minus BC, that is 3 into 8. What is 3 into 8 minus BC? 4 into 7. So 3 into 8, 8 3s are 24 minus 7 4s are 28. How much? 24 minus 28 is minus 4. So the value of determinant value is how much? Minus 4. So like this, you have to be practice well in the determinant problems. Very important, my dear friends. This is one of the most important concept of the determinant problem in algebra max part 1 paper for May 2021. Next. The next question is what, my dear friends? Here you can find it out. Each and every question in algebra, what are the problems are available? what are the problems, what are the solutions are available. The only thing is you have to be very perfect in the problem. Now here the question has been given. What is the question has been given? Can you find it? Can you check it out, this one? What is the perfect question? Solve the quadratic equation. Solve the quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation is given here. You have to find the solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. By factorization method. What is the factorization method? Here question is given x square minus 15x plus 54 is equals to 0. You have to solve it. First, student should understand the question. What is the question is given in the public exams? What is the problem? Understand the meaning of the question, concept of the chapter. Every chapter, whatever the students are preparing for the public examinations regarding part 1 algebra, the first important point is the student should be able to first practice and understand the concept of the question. What is a quadratic equation? What is a quadratic equation? Why? You have to solve the quadratic equation by the particular factorization method. If you go through the particular factorization method, it is very easy. So like this, you have to solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. What is the factorization method we have given? Here one question is given. This is a quadratic equation. You have to solve by factors. Factorization method means what? Factor. You have to do the factors to this particular equation. This is in the form of quadratic equation. One formula is there. What is a quadratic? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is a kind of quadratic equation formula. So in this is what? This is in the form of x square means 1 into x square minus 15x plus 54 is equals to 0. Okay friends, I tell you perfectly so that you can get a perfect idea. Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 15, c is equals to 54. Here it is given perfectly. Now a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 15, c is equals to 54. Quadratic equation is in form. You have to do the factorization. Factorization is very important. How to do the factors to the given problem. Now what you have to do is this x square minus 15x. I am writing x square minus 15x as something like minus 6x minus 9x plus 54 is equals to 0. What is 9 plus 6? What is minus 6 minus 9? Minus 6 minus 9 is minus 15. I am extracting this value. I am extracting this 15x value to minus 6x minus 9x, because minus 6 plus minus 6 minus 9 is how much? Minus 15. So x square minus 6x minus 9x plus 54 is equals to 0. Now we have to extract this particular problem. We have to extract means extract this particular problem in different way by doing the factorization. This is called the factorization. The quadratic equation problem, whatever the equation has been given, you have to do that particular factorization by extracting minus 15 to this minus 6x minus 9x. This can be written as x square can be written as x into x. So x into x minus 6x minus 9x plus 54 is equals to 0, the same thing. Now in this, what I am doing is, what is the common value of this first two terms? Here how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, let us consider the first two terms. Let us consider the first two terms. X into x minus 6x is such. In this x into x minus 6x. In this, what is the common term? Common term is x. I am considering x outside. X into x minus 6 minus, in this, what is the common term? 9. 9 5s are 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 28, 9 3s are 27, 9 fours are how much? 9 5s are 9 6s are 9. Yes, 9 6s are 54. So, and I am extracting minus 9 of x minus, yes, 9 6s are 9 into 6 is how much? 54 is equals to 0. Now in this minus into plus is minus. So minus into minus is plus. So in this x into x is x square. X into minus x, in this we have taken x as a common term. In this, what is the common term? 9 into x is 9x. 9 6 are 54. In this, x minus 9 into what is the common? X minus 6. Now like this, x minus 9 into x minus 6 is how much, sir? Is going to be x minus 9 is equals to 0. X minus 6 is equals to 0. That is going to be x is equals to 9. X is equals to 6 is the value. In fact, this is the factorization value. A quadratic equation is there. For that quadratic equation, you have to find the factorization value. This is the way how you find the factorization value. The first thing is students should be able to understand the concept, practice in a notebook or in a rough book continuously, so that you can do all kind of problems without any doubt. And the most important thing is, if you want to know the details of these important questions, there's going to be the algebra 10th class SSC Maths of Maharashtra in the description below. You can check the details, my dear friends. You can check the details in the description below. Details in the description. In the description below of this video. In the description below of this video, you can find the important questions, topics, what problems may appear in the examinations, all those things. In the description below of this video, you can find the information regarding SSC Maths paper, the Maths part 1 algebra, very important questions of May 2021. So finally, if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so that you get my updated next videos. And once again, I have to say is to all the students, to every student, the secret success and a key success and a secret point to get full marks in the public exams for May 2021 of Maths Part 1 Algebra. Practice well. Practice more number of times. Each and every problem. Not only determinant, not only quadratic equations. Whatever the chapters are available for this 2021 exams, practice continuously and you can find the information perfectly. And you can get a very good marks in the public exams, the board exams, without any doubt. So finally, Maharashtra 10th Maths Part 1 Algebra question paper, that is important question paper, May 2021. For May 2021, Maharashtra 10th Maths paper Part 1 Algebra. You can find them in the description below. Thank you so much.